Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Saeco espresso machine. It comes to us with an issue that the Pro unit was outside and it's like picking up, put it back in the machine. And when I test the machine, I found out like the machine is really dirty and needs a tune-up. This was like a broken gasket also in the same Pro unit, and I replaced this valve also. It's behind the Pro unit, and I descaled the machine, cleaning cycle 2 times for the machine. So let's go ahead and make espresso shot on it. Yes, it works perfect now. Here is it. And thank you for watching. Turn it off. Supposed to rinse, yeah. That's good.